let's go to our today's lesson. Our today's lesson focuses on parts of our body. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to name and spell parts of your body. Children, do you remember what you learned in your grade 1 English lesson? Good. Can you name some of them? You may say eye, ear, hair, nose, and so forth. Children, now I'm going to show and name my parts of body. Please look at me and listen to me carefully. Look, I'm touching my hair, 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 forehead, forehead, eye, eye, ear, ear, mouth, mouth, lip, lip, tongue, tongue, teeth, teeth, cheek, cheek, chin, chin, face, face, neck, neck, shoulder, shoulder, chest, chest. Good. Let's move to the next activity again. Children, let's do the activity together using what is this question, and it is parts of body. Please look, listen, and respond. Are you ready? Good. What is this? What is this? If you say it is hair, you are right. It is hair. What is this? If you say it is forehead, you are right. It is forehead. What is this? What is this? If you say it is ear, you are right. It is ear. Look, what is this? What is this? If you say it is eye, you are right. It is eye. Look, what is this? If you say it is nose, you are right. It is nose. Children, Look at the picture please and name the parts of the body. Have you done it? That's good. Let's do it together. Look at number 1. What do you call it? If you say, it is hair, you are right. Please try to spell it. If you say H A I R, you are right. Let's move to the next question. Look at number 2. What do you call it? If you say ear, you are right. Can you spell it please? If you say E A R, you are right. Please look at number 3. What do you call it? If you say nose, you are right. Can you spell it please? If you say N O S E, you are right. Let's move to the next question. Look at 4. What do you call it? If you say tease, you are right. Can you spell it please? If you say T E E T H, you are right. Look at number 5. What do you call it? If you say tongue, you're right. Can you spell it please? If you say T O N G U E, you are right. Let's move to the next number. Look at number 6. What do you call it? If you say mouse, you are right. Can you spell it? If you say M O U T H, that's right. Let's move to the last number. Look at number 7. What do you call it? If you say I, you're right. Can you spell it please? If you say E Y E, that's right. Children, let me summarize our today's lesson. Today we have learned about parts of the body such as hair, forehead, eye, ear, nose, mouth, lip, tongue, teeth, cheek, chin, face, neck, shoulder, chest. Please do activities in your English textbook on pages 19 and 20. Children, that's all we have for today. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.